What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Hello Baby Official. Guys, today I'm coming live and clear from Congrats Mom or I am Marwa's home, guys. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the returning subscriber. I want to appreciate on that, guys. It's my day. Today it's my day, guys. Unboxing stuff from US, guys. I was waiting for the several time, guys, and today have arrived in Kenya and reached at my village here in Nyabohansi, Kenya, guys, which located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, guys. And I'm here, guys, to show you an amazing content. And technically, everything's green at Congrats Mom's home or Dave Junior's home, guys. Look, wow. So I'm here. What's up, guys? Welcome to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. My name is David Jr. I'm super excited to appear on his YouTube channel. At the same time, I'm just supporting him in a good way. So this is his camera. It's Hero 12 GoPro, the latest on the market. So we say thank you so much for the person who made it possible for this. We don't take it for granted. We're grateful. Me too as well. I was doing an unboxing video on my channel. If you don't know me, kindly go check me out. I do amazing videos concerning village lifestyle, others inspirational. Other times we go to the cartoon Nairobi, we go hard shooting crazy videos there. But it is what it is. So we say thank you to the person who made it possible for this. This is so humbling, this is so amazing, and we're grateful. Me too, as well. As I've said, I was unboxing a camera that was sent to me all the way from the States. So yeah, it's a good feeling. So should we unbox? Yes, you just unbox. Guys, this is the year of success. 2021. Happy New Year with a lot of surprise, guys. At the same time, my motorbike's right there.
Even
See,
this
guys.
one of our amazing fans made it possible. Big shout out to Mokia23.
Yes.
We really appreciate. So,
Well,
let's unbox. Let's unbox.
Yes, unbox.
Okay, guys.
You see, guys, here's a surprise. Even here, this is the surprise, guys. Deep East, you see?
Deep East
Safari.
Big shout out to Deep East Safari. We recommend this travel company 100%. So if you are visiting, maybe in Kenya, please contact Deep East Africa
Safari.
Safaris. So without much further ado, let's see. So what's inside here?
Maybe it's a bomb. Me, I don't know. You say it's a camera, and here is not written a camera.
Okay, let's do it, guys. It's well sealed, you know. Real unboxing is how we do.
Guys, I'm very happy for sure. Mom, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you
I'm
a
happy
million.
for you.
Thank you a million, mom.
This is mega, so you have no choice rather than to create many videos.
Yes,
possible.
because that mom said, I see you have amazing videos, and then the quality of video is not good, so he support me on that camera, Hero 12, guys. So let's wait from tomorrow. You shall see my videos. Maybe I will put low resolution because when I'm put high, I can't afford to upload on my phone. So you must show me how to press on.
Then you need to have a good laptop for editing videos because this is one of the powerful cameras that we really recommend as content creators. So you need to know how to edit. Me too, I didn't know how to edit videos.
Yes,
but I had that urge to know.
I will come and show me one day how to edit.
Yeah, it's not
on
a
your
big
laptop.
thing.
Yes.
Sure. Hey, so let's do this.
Today's unboxing, guys. Hey. At the same time, I'm watching my surprise there. So my work is to fuel inside and ready to go.
And it was really sealed.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
For sure.
I'm just helping here. So let's do this. I'm very careful.
Yes. Because it's expensive.
Very.
Yes.
I know. And these kind of cameras, they are waterproof.
Waterproof?
Yeah. You can swim with them on water. Yeah, I've shot many videos with my GoPro. Yeah, so my first GoPro, the person who bought me She's called Winnie. I really love her so much, and I'm forever grateful. I'll never forget about
Yes,
that.
Uncle, even this phone I'm using here to vlog the videos, it's just like 3 months when boss buy for me this one. For
Winnie,
sure.
thank you so much. We're forever grateful. Yeah, Winnie, she has seen our struggle
Yes.
since day one. Yeah, she has seen exactly. Yeah.
Hey, hey. Ah! Hey,
Finally. Do you
hey.
know what's
Oh,
inside here?
I don't know, Uncle.
They are sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Eh.
kind of. Eh,
Okay,
yes.
let's see. Oh, damn.
Hey.
Wow. Has a stand as well?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So, guys, oh, wow, man.
Hey, hey.
This is very emotional, but it is what it is, you know. Wow.
Hey. Well, show people before you unbox. See.
Wow, guys, look at that.
GoPro 12, guys.
It's the latest on the market. And
Yeah.
this is more, this here in Kenya
Hey.
is more than 1,000 USD.
Yes.
So it's no joke, guys.
Hey.
You see how people, they love you?
Hey, thank you, mom. Thank you.
Yeah, we say thank you so
Yes,
much. We're
thank you
very
a million.
grateful.
Now, this camera arrived at my village here.
And you have to take care of it, right?
Yes. I will go and buy some small bag. I put
Because
here.
GoPro cameras, they are always tiny. So when if someone wants to steal, so you have to be very
Yes,
careful.
I will sit there during charging and then until full. I
So
will go
guys,
with it.
this is the stand,
And it's brand new stand.
brand new. Hey,
New
wow.
model.
Imagine.
So
We
if
have.
you can hang it in the bag, you see.
Mm-hmm.
Here, that stand. See, guys, let me show you.
Okay, sure then.
In the bag, at the same time, it's 3 in 1. You can put a phone. Open.
Wow. This tells you we have many generous
Yes.
people around the world who want to see you succeed and helping your family.
Okay.
So this is the stand here.
Oh my god. Eh.
This is the stand here.
Yes. And guys, I want to know what do you think about in the comment section. Hey.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm very careful. You see?
Eh.
This is the stand. So here you can.
You see, guys, big man.
So here you can place your GoPro. You can place even your phone because these things stretches.
Yes, it's written here. You see?
Yeah, you see even here. You see
camera,
even the phone. Because these things stretches.
Yes.
You know? Yeah. See?
Yes. So you pull it here.
Yeah, you can open from here. And yeah, it's as good as it is.
Yes, you see here, uncle. So you remove this. You see, it look like this one.
Yeah.
And then you fix camera like this one.
Yeah, just like that. See, guys. So this is the stand. Oh, you see?
Here you hang on the bag. Just like here, guys.
Oh.
Yes, you see here.
You see, it's like here.
Yes. I can hang there and put on my pocket.
You see here? It's okay.
Yes, look.
See there?
Yes. Hey.
Wow. Okay, this is the stand.
This is the stand, guys.
So let's go to the main
and
thing.
it is the latest.
Yeah, very latest.
So when I'm going, maybe I will put here. You see, like this way. I'll put on the table, saying 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah. No problem. Hey.
So this is the main thing.
Mangan is coming inside.
This is the main thing now.
What?
So, hey, you see?
This empty box, guys.
Is it a phone? Hello.
Ah.
Hello, babe.
Hey. Oh
GoPro
my God.
Hero
12.
Hero, not
Hero.
Hero 12.
Eh?
Hero 12.
These
So
are
these are instructions.
Instruction.
Sorry. Oh, these are instructions for using the GoPro.
This one here, guys, I will keep.
Huh?
One by one.
So this how it is.
This is the charger.
This is the charger. and it has a memory card here.
It's 128 GB.
Oh, me, I'm happy for you. So you have
And what
no
is this?
choice. This the mounting, Nini. This the mounting.
For windy blowing, maybe.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
This you can stick. Like, let me show you. Like this. Though I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Okay. Hey. Hey.
Yeah. Here you go.
Hmm?
That's it. Here you go.
And this?
Okay, should we tie everything?
Yes, but confirm maybe it is Hero 12. This one, and then you tie
It's 012, guys.
it.
Your camera must be updated before you can use it, alright? You need to update it.
Me, I don't know how to update.
Okay, we'll show you. It's not a big thing. So, guys, we have a good camera here. It's a GoPro. Yeah, me, I wish you all the very best.
Thank you. Because
Now you need to grind so hard.
Yes.
You know.
When I'm coming there at construction, we resume. I will buy a big stand. I put someone and working.
Exactly.
Yes. No shaking of the hands, guys.
So, guys, we say thank you so much to the person who made it possible and everyone who watches our videos.
Even
This
a
the
battery.
Yeah.
I will buy. I will.
This is
I
the
will
spare.
buy. There's another here.
Yeah, there is inside here. So this is the spare.
Two. Maybe I will. Hey, I'm very happy.
Imagine.
Huh?
Yeah, we're very happy, guys. Thank
Look.
you so much. It's a GoPro. It's a GoPro.
You know what, Uncle? I was dreaming this GoPro because I see the entire village. Everybody they have a GoPro, and me, I'm saying one time, I shall buy my own GoPro. But God willing.
Now this, when you have this, when you believe in yourself, you work hard. You wanna build a house like this.
From this GoPro.
From this GoPro,
Yes.
you wanna drive your dream car. You wanna go places. You wanna go to the U.S. Me, I believe that. Guys.
Yes, but Uncle, when I get the money, I will build my mama a small house.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm dreaming my mom house.
Now these are your things.
Eh? Yo, tuweza kwenda kwa unboxia wapi? Kwa unboxia.
Tumemaliza kwa unbox.
Oh, unaweza nionyesha process ya kunani kufunga.
Oh.
Hey, sit here. Maybe
Okay.
you stand, guys, until I will keep everything here. There, the guideline. Let's take the guideline. Yes.
So it needs to be updated, but it's all good. Though we are rushing somewhere, maybe I should show you when we are done with Nini. Because guys, we're going to pick our mom because it's so late here. So
let's keep this.
yeah, sure.
I will go and pick congrats mom from school.
After that we'll do the necessary. Yes. Anyway, guys, we say thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We're going to pick our mom. Today is on a Friday, so she's waiting for us.
Yeah. From tomorrow. What's up, guy? By using a GoPro like this. Hey, sure. No problem.
Okay, guys.
So, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. But I'm coming to see what is it, within the whole deal. The way the camera is holding, putting on and off.
Very true.
Yes.
I'll show you. It's not a big
and
thing.
you put, and Uncle, when you're vlogging, you put when I'm passing the door, look curve like this. I like that. But when I'm passing on trees like this one, they look curve.
Is your GoPro?
Yes.
Is the case? Wow.
Hey. GoPro 12.
Yeah, that is it.
Yes.
That is it.
And they show here, maybe you can fix on helmet. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's it. This is the stand. Yeah, subscribe to his channel if you're my fan out there. I really appreciate, guys.
For sure, guys.
Okay.
The process. Yes, no problem. Pooh!
They are splitting stone.
They said pooh!
have to return these. Yeah, you have to ensure these things are kept safe.
Yes.
Because it's a lot of sacrifice. Someone to do this for you.
It's not a joke.
Very
These are serious, guys. Serious. Serious.
It is a lot of sacrifice, and this tells you have to work hard to make the person proud.
Even me. Mom.
Yeah, thank you so much. We're
Even,
grateful.
even today we will not eat.
Why?
Like yesterday night. I wait. When today it's morning, guys. I
Yeah,
sleep
so
late.
Always take care of them. Ensure they are in order. Yeah, these are our tools. These are our filming gears.
Yes.
And don't share with anyone.
No. That's
They
my
are just
personal item.
yours and yours alone. Okay?
And forever. Yes.
No sharing.
Yes.
Exactly.
This is like a razor blade. When you're sharing with somebody a razor blade. No. This is my personal item. For sure. Look.
That's it. Okay, guys, we say thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank
you.
Subscribe to Hello Babies YouTube channel. Road to 5K.
Subscriber.
Thank you, guys.
I'm
Peace
here,
out.
guys. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Big congrats, mom. So I'll come and show what the process is going on. They'll show me from first up to the end. So stay tuned.